What's up, MG gang 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 gang? What's up, y'all? Obviously, I just got off work, and y'all have caught me at an ugly moment again. Like I never get like my job is too like I put in like shit. What am I trying to say? Like I can't be cute for work. Like I just can't be cute for work. I can't be cute. My job, it doesn't require for me to have on makeup and be my best me, sweetie. I can barely have these nails. But yeah, so I haven't talked to y'all like in a whole like week. Was it? Yeah, because I think I ain't see y'all since Vlogtober day 19 or 20 or something, and it's like the 28. Wow. So yeah, it's like a week. I've been working. Like I just been working. Work, don't stop. 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 Work till you can't feel. So yeah, but today, I had a morning shift, so I have the rest of the day to do things, and all I really have to do is nothing. Like I have to shower. I have to shower and get out these clothes. And I gotta show y'all I bought a plant. Ew, look at my plant back there. But I'm gonna show y'all because it's kind of dark. But and I went to the hair store the last time I talked to y'all. So I gotta show y'all these wigs. And then I'm doing a video on the wigs when I install them, so stay tuned for those videos. It's gonna be separate. I do still have the Myra wig video up, so go check out that wig video. It's just a video of me, you know, styling it, putting it on, and all that stuff like that. So yeah, make sure y'all watching all my videos. Make sure y'all give my videos a thumbs up, liking and subscribing, and telling your friends and your sisters and your brothers and your aunties and your uncles and the kids or whatever, so that they can subscribe to my channel. Subscriptions are going up, y'all. I'm trying to get to 1K. Help your girl get to 1K. Like I need 1K. Like I need this 1K. So to those who are subscribed to the gang and you're really with the gang, if you got the post notifications bell on, so over there, maybe one of them, click that bell. Go ahead, click that bell and put all, because if you just click it, sometimes it be tripping. Like if you don't put all, then it's not gonna, I don't know, like it's pretty tricky. So make sure y'all click that notifications bell. Be official member of the MG gang gang gang. Vlogtober is almost over. It's almost over, and I haven't got my silk press yet because it's been raining. Like it's been raining real bad. Like so they may be postponed, I don't know. But haunted house still in the making. Like I still gotta go to haunted house before Vlogtober is over. Like it's necessary because Halloween is coming. Maybe I should go on Halloween. I don't know. But yeah, that, and yeah, so yeah, let me freshen up and we go get into the y'all, I done went to sleep. Look a mess. OMG. Y'all, I took a nap. Like when I said I had to freshen up, like I sat down and I fell asleep. I fell asleep for like a whole hour, yo, like, and then I got up and now we're here. Okay, so boom. So I said I was gonna show y'all my wigs I got, but I'm not gonna open them because I don't want to open them until I do the install. So I think I'm gonna do that tonight. Yo, I look a mess, yo. And let me show y'all my plant. She is so pretty. Okay, so I have it in this bag because I need to pot her. But I'm gonna do that later. So that's that. Let's get to these wigs. Like, it's time for some new hair too. It's time for some new hair. Like I told y'all, that other wig, that's gone. Like, I need to detangle it, wash it. I'll probably cut it. Oh, I took this one out the box already. But yeah, I'll probably cut it and re-curl it. So I might do a restyling video on that. And I was also thinking about doing a Halloween inspired, like, Halloween makeup. I haven't done a makeup video in a long ass time, and I think it's time I should do one, because I did a natural hair one, and I've been doing these vlogs, and I've been doing these wigs. It's time for some makeup. I haven't done my makeup in a long time, and I have a bag full of eyeshadows that some of these eyeshadow palettes I haven't even touched, and I got them for a long. Okay, so here's one. I took it out the box already because I was about to start on it, but I had changed my mind. So this is actually the wig I just took off, or the one I've been wearing right here, but it's literally the one that y'all just see me in, like the one y'all been seeing me in. That's this one. But I'm not gonna cut this one. I'm not gonna restyle it. I'm not gonna do none of that with this one. I'm gonna just try to keep it as is, because that one is already like in a bob, and I can just wash that one and just straighten it, and it'll be back to normal, all bouncy or whatever. But this one is longer and it has a little curl in it, and it's different. So I want to keep the same hair color, but I want different styles in this color, because like I said, this is my signature look. So keeping that. So stay tuned for the install on this one as well. That's how she looks, but baby, she won't look like that on me. So boom, that's out. Here is another one from the same brand, and she looks like this. She's in the color 1, no 2. They didn't have 1B, so stay tuned for that. She's not gonna look like that either. Like, most of these cars, like, they don't look like this in person. Like, their hair don't really look like that all the time. Sometimes it is, but I customize all my wigs to my liking. So yeah, that's the name. It's a red carpet something print premiere, yeah, red carpet premiere. So yeah, she's gonna be, I don't know how she's gonna be, and she's a side part, but I might turn her to the middle. But yeah, I'm doing a dance video in this wig, so I may be wearing her like in November, first week of November. I don't know. I have to finish the choreo first, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I have to go to work in the morning, and I still haven't polished those accessories. Like, I've been out of it. Like, I've been so busy with work, and sometimes on the days when I wasn't busy, I just didn't feel like it, and I already was like wearing the accessories. But this would be a perfect time to do that though. But damn, why is that car so fucking loud? But yeah, I'm coming at y'all live at 5, all busted and rested, but I'm still cute. Better than your new babe, period. But yeah, I might pop my tree, repot my plant on Thursday when I'm off, or I'll probably do it tomorrow. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have nothing to do, and I don't feel like doing anything but resting and laying down, because I gotta get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. It's going up or whatever. No, it's not going up. I gotta go to work. But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Like this video, comment, share, subscribe. It's going up. MG gang. We out. Bye.